Welcome to Unboxing Sensation, and now we're gonna unbox this Lenovo 67i with a 2K touchscreen. This is with the SSD 16GB up to 1TB. So let's unbox this. We just purchased this at Best Buy. This is not sponsored. Actually, this is not my laptop. Open the Lenovo. And there's the manual. It's here in the envelope. And we'll open it. Ta-da! It's here, the Lenovo 7i 16-inch. It's a storm gray, and there you can see. And there's the manual. Don't forget also to read this one. So, and what's inside? It's the cord. There you go, there's the cord. So, let's open it, guys. And this is the keyboard. This is Intel Core Ultra 7 Intel Graphics. Whoa, it's so nice. And this is the camera. Please remove it. So we're gonna remove something there. So I'm gonna plug this in. As you can see, there's a SD card and USB, and there's the power button. So we'll press the power button. Oh, it's low bat. So we'll plug the USB-C. So we'll plug it in the other side. It's gonna be here. Here you go. And we're gonna open the computer. There, it's open. Oh, that's the Yoga. The laptop looks gorgeous with the battery life. And there's a smart noise cancellation. Oh my goodness! It's so amazing. And here, it's not connected with the Wi-Fi, so we're gonna set up for a second. The keypads look great. Oh, just a moment. This is the camera of the laptop. And there you go. So we're gonna go to United States because I'm living in United States. There. So I'm gonna use US. Yeah. What to add a second keyboard layout? Just keep it. So let's connect to the network. So we're gonna connect it right now. So type your password, then click next. And then you go next. Checking for updates. Just a few moments checking for updates. Good things, and your PC will restart before you continue. Just a moment. please review the license agreement. So, license agreement of Lenovo is limited warranty, the document, the third-party software license, and Lenovo is limited warranty for hardware products. So, just read along and depending on obtain of Windows software, this is a license agreement between you and the device manufacturer or software installed distributed. So, by accepting the agreement using the software, you agree that all the terms and content transmission certain information during the activation during the software per privacy and describes section 3. So, we'll just accept it. So, we'll just name the device. To my husband. So, if there's an error, just skip now. And there you go. Your update is in progress. We'll take it from here and feel free to walk away or check out the latest Windows features. So this is with the Windows 11. So see more. You can see the discovery power of Copilot on Windows. Try now. With your AI companion. So your Windows update is in progress. This could take a while. Please keep your PC on a plug-in. So we have to sign in. If you have a account in Microsoft, just use it. If you don't have, create one. And if the video is helpful, please like. Video, please give me a thumbs up and please like and share and subscribe.